Swingline Heavy Duty 100 Sheet 2-Hole Punch. When you have a high-capacity job, you need a heavy-duty tool that can help you wade through it quickly. This durable 100-sheet 2-hole punch is ideal for medical records and large record retention offices. It has a wide, large handle that gives the user the added leverage needed to punch through 100 sheets. For your convenience, the operating instructions are located on the base of the hole punch. The sharp and replaceable fixed punch heads cut holes 9/32 of an inch. There's a flexible plastic sleeve that covers the bottom of the punch that catches the waste to help keep your workplace neat and clean. When you're finished, the handle compresses down in the closed position for compact storage. The 2-hole punch has a 180-day warranty. However, replacement punch kits are sold separately and can help your punch last a lifetime. The Swingline Heavy Duty 100-sheet 2-hole punch will help you tackle your next big project, so get one today.